Hey everyone, this is Eric Burns of Trainmaster 84. I normally film Florida East Coast trains in Florida, but I'm in the state of Colorado right now, and we are here to catch this BNSF train with the helpers on the rear. It's coming up slowly, so the crossing should be activated any minute now. There's a lot of traffic going on. Let me back up just a minute here. Whoa. I took some pictures of the BNSF train that I saw earlier. Oh, the crossing is activated. The gates are going down. Looks like the gates are all the way down. All right, let's turn around here. I hear the horn. Oh yeah, listen to that horn. That is a BNSF coal train. It's going very slowly because it's got the helpers on the rear. That is a long and slow coal train. This is my first BNSF train video that I ever filmed. Boy, those coal cars just keep right on coming. We got the helpers coming up on the rear. All right, let's turn around here. That is the first time I see helpers on the rear of this coal train. Remember everyone, stay safe and happy rail fanning.